Once you build it live, you'll feel the spark. Systems lighting up the dark.
No code, no ads, no stress at all. It's traffic built to never fall. Organic streams from every side, with AI as your guide. No code, no ads, no stress at all. It's traffic built to never fall. Organic streams from every side, with AI as your guide. Building three, yeah, the system's alive. It runs on its own, multiplies while you thrive. Free traffic flows across platforms wide. This AI dream, now it's your time to drive. You'll never chase it again. Just let the blueprint begin. Traditional tricks are fading fast. They weren't designed to last. But AI's here and now it shows the secret path where power grows. From whispers now to surging tide, you're building while they're stuck outside. While others scroll and hope and wait, you automate your fate. No burnout, no ceiling above. This is strategy built with love. One blueprint, 3 days, all live. The future starts when you arrive. Journey building three, yeah, the system's alive. It runs on its own, multiplies while you thrive. Free traffic flows across platforms wide. This AI dream, now it's your time to drive. No turning back now. I shows you how. This is different, this is bold. A story of traffic never told. No more hustle, no more lies, just workflows made to rise.